This is the correct way of doing dimensioning on the same drawing that you did. First thing is, when you go, let's start again. In the dimensioning tab here, you need to click on this thing here called the styles. In the styles, whichever definition you have, if you go to property, the various things like this should be, so normally it's like this. Then you click on the linear and find black text. Yeah, so if the other options are just the other layers, but you define black text. Characters should be around 35, 36, something like that. Measurement scale 1, number of decimal places. At the moment you guys have more than, you have a number here. It should be, you probably have 1 there. You should have 0, or leave it empty like this. And the arrows and symbols, if you could please have these settings. Height 25, diameter, and do these bits. I don't know exactly what they do, but that's the way it works. And then finally, these settings for this last one here. Yeah, it should remember this for next time, so you only have to do this once. Once that's the case, you, on this tab, click on this one, which you've been doing anyway, and make sure this is switched off first. And let's get the basic dimensions, which I think you guys know how to do properly, done, which are all the simple lines. So that's normally the overall big lines, which are these, and the 2 joints, which are this. Next, and this is the bit that you guys are getting a bit confused on, is you click on this button here, more elements, and it's a case of using these snaps correctly, because at the moment I think you guys are just basically kind of guessing where the dimensions are and hoping for the best. That's not how this works. In CAD you never guess. So here the best thing to do is start off with, you only have to do 2 buttons, this F3 button and the F6 one later on, and that's only for two dimensions. So mainly it's this one here. And if you click, don't try and click the corner itself, click on the line, because if you click anywhere on this line further than near the halfway, if you just have to click on this half of the line, it will select that point. Again, anywhere on this side will select that point there. And that's point number 1. Then click here, so again that's going to select this point here, here, and here, and that's exact. Click here. Now here, because there may be multiple lines here, you can get a little bit closer. Don't try and click the corner again. Click near the corner. Click near the corner again, and near the corner again, and here. Now this makes it difficult to see, so go slightly further up and push it to the right if necessary. And then near the corner, and anywhere on this line beyond the halfway point, so anywhere here. Those are all the main dimensions, correctly done. The other part of it is then to get this dimension here. Now the problem is you can't use the end point because it will pick up this point here. We actually want this point here, not here, but here. So you use this intersection snap, which is F6, and click 2 lines. That gives me the correct point. And then you can, if you wish, press this button again to go here. The other way of doing it is just understanding that intersection can be used in multiple places. Click on these 2 lines to get this point, and just click on these 2 lines to get that point. That's how you do dimensioning on Logotag.